Peachy Babies. We're gonna be making slime using only products from home. This is something super easy that you guys can follow along with if you wanna make some slime. I'm actually really blind and I have a ton of eye solution at my home. I think that this will work as activator. I also saw Christian making a slime using dish soap once, so I brought some dish soap and hopefully it works as some glizzy. I also have this black cherry Merlot hand soap that was in my restroom. I feel like this will smell super nice. And of course, I have some glue, and I had these because I was making some crafts one day, but they're glow in the dark, so I feel like that'll make our slime be super fun and also be our glue. I also have a ton of paints at home, so I brought all of these paints in all these different colors, and we're gonna use these to dye our slime. I got some paper and some markers. If I start making some doodles, we can cut them up and they will be the charms of our slime. But first, I need to pick out a theme. Let's get our spinning wheel. All right, guys, let's pick a theme for our slime. I really hope that we get Christian's mom. Oh my gosh, we got it! This is my lucky day. I have to make a slime themed after Christian's mom, and I have no idea what she's like, but I have a brilliant idea. Let's FaceTime her. Hi, Mrs. Owens. How are you?
Hi, Anna. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, has Christian ever brought home some slime?
Slime? What's that?
You don't know what slime is?
No.
Well, you're gonna find out. That didn't help, but she seemed like a sweetheart. Let's make her a super nice slime anyways. We're gonna start off with our glue. I got my bowl right here, got my spatula. Let's pour some glue. I love anything glow in the dark, so I'm excited to see what this slime will look like, but this is gonna take forever, so I'm just gonna open these up and dump them in. I wonder why this one's like more yellow than this one. Maybe it has more glow in the dark powers. Wow, this one's like neon. All right, guys, now we have all of our glue poured in. Look at how that looks. It's super neon. I love it. But now we're gonna move on to our pigment. So since Christian's mom seemed really nice, I wanna make a slime that feels very soft, very light. The first thing that comes to mind are like hearts and pink and red. So I'm gonna go for this pink parfait paint to dye our slime. Guys, this is my favorite shade of pink, so I think it's gonna be perfect. I honestly used a lot. And hey, it matches our spatula. So I'm gonna start mixing that together. All right, now that we have all of our glue mixed with the pigment, we are gonna be adding our scent. I picture Christian's mom smelling like flowers, maybe like strawberries or something. Something's like super sweet. So I feel like this black cherry scent is perfect. I'm gonna put a good amount because I want this slime to smell very strong. Ooh, something about the soap is making our slime activate a little bit. Now that that is all mixed together and it smells really nice, I'm gonna be adding some dish soap. I feel like this will kind of replace glizzy. Let's hope that it does. If you guys don't have glycerin at home, just try adding dish soap. I feel like that will work. It has the same consistency, but we don't want to add too much. Ooh, yeah, guys, that's totally changing the texture of our slime. Yeah, oh my gosh, guys, I've never tested this out before, and it actually works. You can tell that the texture of our slime is changing. It's becoming a little thicker than it was. You know what time it is? It's activator time, but we don't have activator. We're gonna use some blind solution. All right, so let's add our blind solution and find out if it can activate our slime. I'm gonna be pouring a generous amount because activator has some kind of special wizard powers that I know this blind solution does not have. I'm just gonna be pouring the whole thing in. Let's see how far away I can make it. Oh, that's pretty far. I have a good aim. Guys, my aim is great. All right, we poured the whole thing in. It's time to activate it. I wanna make this super easy for you guys to do at home. And I know you guys don't have a mixer like that. I don't have a mixer like that. So we're just gonna hand mix. All right, so after like 30 minutes of mixing, this is what we have. This looks like a brain or like a pink monster of some kind. And I think we can hand mix it now. Wow, guys, this is like slime. It's just a little rippy, but it's getting there. Maybe the whole bottle of eye contact solution was not the move. I should have added less, because now we have this weird thing. This looks like a monster. It's like pink scrambled eggs. Oh my gosh. It's okay, guys. You just have to be patient. I'm just gonna keep mixing and use some more dish soap because maybe this will help save our slime. All right, guys, after like an hour of hand mixing and adding more soap and a little bit more eye solution, we finally got some slime. All right, so now I'm gonna get these little sponges and cut up the yellow parts because I feel like they'll add some really cool texture. Now that I've mutilated SpongeBob, we got this. Let's mix it together and see if it creates a nice spongy texture. Yeah, guys, this is actually turning out pretty cool. It kind of feels like our jelly cube slimes, except they don't really pop, but it feels like that. And I think because they're taking up space in our slime, it's making some really good bubble pops. All that's left to do is decorate our slime. So I have these papers. If you guys don't have charms or anything like that, we can get artsy with it. If we have papers and we decorate them with some markers, cut them out and put them on top of our slime, it's gonna decorate it really nicely. And I also had some glitter laying around, so we're also gonna add that on top to decorate it. So if you have like makeup or just any kind of glitter at home, it'll be perfect. I'm gonna be drawing some hearts in different sizes because I feel like the pink theme goes with these hearts. So I finished drawing these hearts and look, I gave them little faces. They're so cute. And now we're gonna cut them out. So Christian has 3 dogs, so I feel like his mom loves dogs. I'm gonna be making a little dog charm. All right, guys, we finished our little charms. Look at this dog. He's so cute and tiny. And so now we're gonna decorate our slime. So I have this little container, and I'm just gonna be putting some of this slime in there. All right, that looks good. And now I'm gonna be using some of this pink glitter. Just gonna pour a little bit at the top and sprinkle it. All right, and now let's top it off with our little paper charms. Wow, guys, this actually turned out way better than I thought. The paper charms are super cute. Look at that. Even though this slime was made with some household items, I think it turned out pretty good. And you know what? It was made with love, just like how Christian's mom raised Christian. And now it's time to package it so I can send it to Christian's mom. I'm gonna close up this slime and get it ready to be shipped to Christian's mom. I hope you guys liked this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.